Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to get free domain and hosting for e-commerce website. The platform that I recommend you use is none other than Equid. With Equid, you will be able to get free domain and hosting for life. So unlike other platforms that will offer you a free trial period, with Equid, you can use their platform for completely free, as you can see right here with their free forever plan. And by scrolling down, you can see the different features. They don't charge you a transaction fee. You can actually start making money right away. You will get access to their e-commerce platform and you will be able to add a store to any website, sell simultaneously on multiple sites. You will also get over 30 plus free design themes, meaning that you'll be able to customize your store to look how you want it, and you will get access to the domain and also other sales channel. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end, as I'll be showing you step by step how to create an e-commerce store using Equid as a beginner. So the first thing you want to do once on Equid, you're going to tap on get started for free, either in the top right hand corner or right here. And as stated, you don't need a credit card to sign up. Once you have created your account either using your Facebook or your Google address, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to scroll down until you see apps. From there, you're going to tap on App Market. After selecting App Market, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and you are going to be selecting dropshipping for example's sake if that is what you plan to do. If it is a case that you like to do print on demand, you can also do that using Equid. So for example, you could use Printful to do print on demand if you want. But if it is dropshipping and you like to source products from AliExpress, you can do that with Equid for completely free. The app that I would recommend you use is Sup Dropshipping. With Sup Dropshipping, you will be able to add products from AliExpress onto your store for completely free. So you would tap on install. Once you have tapped on install, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you could create an account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to be signing in real quick and then we can continue with the tutorial. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Find Products. After selecting Find Products, you're going to tap on Imported Products. And what I want you to do next is open a new tab and you're going to go onto AliExpress. Once on AliExpress, you can search for the particular product or products that you would like to add onto your store. So let's say, for example, Halloween is coming around. So let's say we would like to sell some Halloween products. So I'm going to be selecting this product for example's sake. Once you have found a product that you would like to sell, you can copy the product URL, then go back into Sup Dropshipping, paste in the URL right here. Then you're going to tap on Import Product. After selecting Import Product, you'll just give it a few seconds to a minute while the product is being imported. Once it has been imported, you can see it right here. You will tap on List It to Store. After selecting List It to Store, from here you want to customize it to your liking. So you could tap on Images, you could select the mock-up images that you would like to use. You can also edit the product title and you can also edit the product description. By scrolling down, you can edit the description. And if it is a case that you don't want to sell both variants, you can untick a particular variant. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on List It Now. So let me enter the selling price real quick. So for example's sake, let's say I'll be selling it for $50. So I'll select 50 right there. Then I'll just tap on List It Now. Once it has been listed, all you'll need to do is go back into Equid, go over to the left hand menu option, hover over Catalog, then select Products, and from here you can see our product has been listed onto our store. Now that you have added your first product, there is one thing that I should tell you. When it comes onto Equid and their free plan, you will be able to add up to 5 products. That's the only pullback. But this is perfect for anyone that is just starting out, as you'll be able to test 5 different products. Once you have tested the different products and you found out which ones are working, then from there you can go onto their paid plan. And their paid plan is quite affordable. Also, if we were to go back to their pricing page, as you can see, it starts off at $21 per month and goes up to $89 per month. So if you would like to sell anywhere under 100 products, you can just stick with their paid plan of $21 per month. Now, after adding your product, you're going to need to optimize your website, and you can also set up the different payment methods. To do this, you'll need to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. And again, when it comes on to Equid, you can also sell on Instagram. So you could connect your Instagram right there by tapping on Instagram. You could choose to sell on Instagram. You can sell on Facebook, TikTok. You can also set up a link in bio page if you want. And there are also other sales channels, for example, Facebook Messenger, Google Shopping, Shop App, Lightspeed Retail, eBay, and Amazon. So there are numerous payment options that you can connect. What we're going to do, we're going to tap on payment. After setting up the different sales channel, if you'd like to choose one of them better yet, you will tap on payment. Then from there, you could connect your PayPal account. So persons will be able to purchase your items and pay you via PayPal. You can also add other payment methods by tapping on add manual payment method right there. And now to optimize your store, you would tap on design from the left hand menu option. From here, you can edit your store. For example, you can edit the product page, whether you like the product images to be large, medium, or small. You can choose whichever one. You can also scroll down. You can change the dimension from square to landscape or portrait. You can also darken image backgrounds or so on. You can edit the product card. There are numerous editing options that you will get access to, and you can quickly edit. And if we were to tap on website from the left hand menu option, after selecting website, from there you could tap on edit site. After selecting edit site, you'll be redirected to your site home page. So this is how our website looks at the moment. And you can start editing it by tapping on any section, then going over to the left hand menu option. You could change the text. You can also change the image. And their platform is beginner friendly, which is one of the main reasons why I recommend it. You can also tap on store, and from there you can see your different products. You could tap on manage products, or you can edit the design, change the background, product name, or product images, or price, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.